welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so glad you're here. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the best chocolate cake recipe, which is very perfect for Christmas. You can try it out this season and let me know in the comment section how you are able to achieve it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Yeah, let me introduce you to the ingredients you are going to be working with. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar. I mixed it together, 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. This is white sugar and at the top is brown sugar. 2 large eggs, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, half cup of milk, half cup of Baileys, half cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, baking soda. I'm going to be using 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. You can use a chocolate flavor, you can use any flavor except for coconut flavor, okay? So I'm using vanilla flavor. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to mix all dry ingredients together and make sure to see very well your all-purpose flour and cocoa powder. This is cocoa powder, sugar, salt, baking soda. This is 1 teaspoon. Baking soda, half teaspoon. So I'm going to set this aside. So at this point, I will start mixing the wet ingredient together. You can use your hand mixer if you have at home, but this is no mixer cake. I'm just like showing you guys if you actually want to do a cake at home. Okay, so this is an easiest way to make a chocolate cake without a stand mixer and without an hand mixer. We are not using anything electric, everything is manual. Okay, so I'll start by breaking the egg. So you are going to whisk your hair till it is fluffy like this. So the And I'm going to add my milk. I'm going to mix again. Then I'm going to add my Baileys. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. And I'm going to mix again. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to start folding in dry ingredients bit by bit. So the last thing I'm going to be adding to this cake is a very hot water. This is very hot, guys. Can you see how loose it is now? So this is how the outcome will be. So right now I'm going to transfer it into the baking pan. Yeah. And I'm going to be tapping it down like so 3 times, just to release the excess air trapped inside. So I'm going to take it right into the oven. I'll be right back, guys. So guys, this is what the cake looks like after coming out of the oven. It is super moist, and this can also be served as a dessert cake. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you thumbs up this video, and yeah, I will see you in my next video.